Hello, students. Welcome to another episode of Weekly Current Affairs Quiz. Question 1. What is the name of the 4.5 kilometers long freight train whose trial run was successfully conducted by the Indian Railway? A. Super Vasuki. B. Rudrastra. C. Mahabahu. D. Bharat Express. The correct answer is option B. Rudrastra. The Indian Railway has successfully tested a new 4.5 kilometers long freight train named Rudrastra. This train is being called the longest in Asia. Question 2. Which government body is responsible for releasing the annual groundwater quality report in India? A. Indian Council of Medical Research. B. World Health Organization, India. C. Central Groundwater Board. D. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The correct answer is option C. Central Groundwater Board. The Central Groundwater Board is the organization that monitors and reports on the quality of groundwater across the country, providing an annual assessment of contamination levels. Question 3. The crab species Pilarta vaman was named after which figure? A. A researcher's assistant. B. The district where it was found. C. An avatar of Vishnu in Hindu mythology. D. A local mountain stream. The correct answer is option C. An avatar of Vishnu in Hindu mythology. The species name Vaman refers to Vaman, one of the avatars of Vishnu. This was chosen to highlight the crab's small size. Question 4. The disease eradicated by Kenya is transmitted to humans by which insect? A. Mosquitoes. B. Tsetse flies. C. Sandflies. D. Ticks. The correct answer is option B. Tsetse flies. The disease is caused by a parasite and is spread by the tsetse fly, which acts as a vector for transmission. Question 5. What is the official status of elephant in India? A. National animal. B. Protected species. C. State animal of Tamil Nadu. D. National heritage animal. The correct answer is option D. National heritage animal. In India, the elephant holds a special designation as the country's national heritage animal, reflecting its cultural and traditional importance. Question 6. What is the name of the web portal launched from April 1, 2023 for authorizing the MP-LAD annual fund? A. PM Saksham. B. E-Sakshi. C. Disha portal. D. Vidhan Seva. The correct answer is option B. E-Sakshi. The E-Sakshi web portal was launched to streamline the process of authorizing MP-LAD funds to district authorities. Question 7. What is the name of the revamped version of the Swadesh Darshan scheme? A. Swadesh Darshan 2.0. B. Bharat Darshan. C. Incredible India. D. Project Tourism. The correct answer is option A. Swadesh Darshan 2.0. The original scheme underwent a revamp and was relaunched under a new name, which is mentioned as Swadesh Darshan 2.0. Question 8. What is the name of the new anti-drone system launched by Punjab? A. Suraksha Ak. B. Baj Ak. C. Agni Ak. D. Suraksha Kavach. The correct answer is option B. Baj Ak. The new anti-drone system, by its specific name Baj Ak, has been launched to counter cross-border smuggling. Question 9. The Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project was built on which river? A. Krishna River. B. Kaveri River. C. Godavari River. D. Yamuna River. The correct answer is option C. Godavari River. The project is an irrigation system designed to utilize water from the Godavari River. Question 10. The shuttlecock mushroom was discovered in which specific location? A. Western Ghats. B. Eastern Ghats. C. Kagaznagar Forest Division. D. Kaval Tiger Reserve. The correct answer is option D. Kaval Tiger Reserve. The discovery was made by researchers from a university and was recorded in the Kaval Tiger Reserve. Question 11. Which local government body is responsible for preparing half-yearly reports on suspected contamination sites? A. State Board. B. Reference Organization. C. Central Government. D. District Administration. The correct answer is option D. District Administration. The responsibility for creating the initial reports on sites that may be contaminated falls to the District Administration. Question 12. The OCO satellites were specifically designed to observe which atmospheric gas? A. Methane. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. CO2. The correct answer is option D. CO2. The primary purpose of the orbiting carbon observatories is to measure and monitor atmospheric carbon dioxide. Question 13. Where has a lake-like water body formed on the Bhagirathi River? A. Near Mussoorie. B. Near Rishikesh. C. Near Harsil. D. Near Rudraprayag. The correct answer is option C. Near Harsil. A new accumulation of water resembling a lake has formed on the Bhagirathi River near the village of Harsil in Uttarakhand. Question 14. The winning self-help group made a significant impact by promoting the cultivation and processing of which crop? A. Rice. B. Wheat. C. Millets. D. Pulses. The correct answer is option C. Millets. The group was recognized for its efforts in reviving millet-based mixed cropping systems, establishing a community seed bank, and setting up a millet processing unit. Question 15. How many countries have currently signed the Artemis Accords according to the updated text? A. 56, B. 24, C. 7, D. 100. The correct answer is option A. 56. The Artemis Accords, an agreement on lunar cooperation, has been signed by 56 countries so far. Question 16. With the latest approvals, what is the total number of projects sanctioned under the India Semiconductor Mission? A. 4, B. 6, C. 10, D. 16. The correct answer is option C. 10. The approval of 4 new projects brings the total of sanctioned projects under the mission to 10. Question 7. What was India's solar PV module manufacturing capacity in 2014? A. 100 gigawatts, B. 8.2 gigawatts, C. 2.3 gigawatts, D. 500 gigawatts. The correct answer is option C. 2.3 gigawatts. India's solar PV module manufacturing capacity was 2.3 gigawatts in 2014. Question 18. In which Indian state has the Disha Abhiyan been successfully implemented in 453 special schools? A. Gujarat, B. Karnataka, C. Maharashtra, D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is option C. Maharashtra. The innovative Disha Abhiyan curriculum has been successfully implemented in special schools across the state of Maharashtra. Question 19. According to the new rules, an OCI registration can be cancelled if the cardholder is sentenced to imprisonment for a term of at least how long? A. 6 months, B. 2 years, C. 1 year, D. 7 years. The correct answer is option B. 2 years. The new notification states that an OCI registration can be cancelled if the cardholder has been sentenced to imprisonment for a term of not less than 2 years. Question 20. In which of the following villages was a quantity of the missing illegally mined coal detected? A. Guwahati, B. Shillong, C. Diengnan, D. Juwai. The correct answer is option C. Diengnan. A follow-up survey detected 1,839 metric tons of illegally mined coal in the village of Diengnan, located in the southwest Khasi Hills district. That was all for today's episode.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.